Sometimes I don't even mean it. It takes a little while to figure me out. I like my coffee with 2 sugars in it, high heels and my jewelry dripping, drinking, I get all fired up. Hey, hey, hey. Insecure, but I'm working with it. Many things that I could get rid of, ain't nobody give it up. I made a few mistakes, I regret it nightly. I broke a couple hearts and I wear on my sleeve. My mama always said, girl, you're troubling, and now I wonder, could you fall for